Hello guys, welcome back to our channel and another new video on the LeetCode daily question. So today's daily question is absolute difference between the BST. So we will be the given the root of the binary search tree and we have to minimum absolute difference between the two nodes. Like we will be given one node, root node, and we have to check that minimum difference between the left and right node. So let's see the example. So here is the example that the root node is 4 and the child nodes are 2 and 6 for the 4, and for the root node as 2 the child nodes are 1 and 3. So we will check the absolute difference. So here the absolute difference between 2 and 4 is 2. Here 6 and 4 is also 2, but the absolute difference between 1 and 2 will be the 1, and 1 and 3 will also be the 1. So the minimum absolute difference in this binary tree will be the 1. So this will be the answer for our question. So let's think about the solution. So how we can solve this question? So simply for the brute force solution, we can do the in order traversal and get the all the nodes in the sorted order. So this will gives the uh, our the version of the sorted version of the binary search tree. Like when we get the in order traversal, the we will be get this order of the nodes of the binary search tree. So the using the in order traversal, we can get the all the nodes, and we will check the minimum difference between the two consecutive numbers in the that in order traversal array. So this will be the order of O of n, and we will get the output, the minimum difference, because it will be the in the sorted order. So now go to the brute force code. So here this trav function is doing the in order traversal. Here I am checking that the n, which is the root node, is not equal to null. If it is equal to null, we will be returning, and if we have left, we will be traversing to the left, and we will pushing into that array, and again the traversal in the right, because the in order traversal includes first we will go to the left node, then the root node, and the right node. Then after getting that binary search tree in order traversal, we will be initializing int equals to int max and traversing into the loop and get the minimum difference, absolute difference. So now let's go to the lead code and discuss the optimum solution. So nothing the optimum, but we will be using the another method. Like we have to remove the recursion used in the in order traversal, and we directly do the iterative in order traversal. So that will be the solution. So here is the iterative way to find the minimum absolute difference in the BST. So here we are using the iterative method of the method of in order traversal. So first for that we need the this is the function that will give us the we will returning the minimum difference here. So for that we will initialize the min difference is equals to int maximum. After that we will take a stack for the traversal in this uh, binary search tree. We will take the node is equals to root pointer of this root node, and after that we will take one previous pointer to get the difference between the previous and the current node. So here we are applying the while loop till the node is not empty and the stack is not empty. We will be running this loop, and if we have the node, we will go to the left. Like we know that first we will go to the left nodes in the in order traversal. So until we have the node, we will go to the left. Like we will 4 2 1, and here we have like when we had 1, so we will take the top node and the pop that element, and we will check that if we have the previous node, we will take this absolute difference here, and we are setting the current node is equals to the node, like current node is equals to previous, and then we are going to the right of this node. So for that, then we also check that absolute difference, because we will be going to the right. So after doing all this, we will be retaining the minimum difference. Let's submit the solution. So this is the iterative way.